Welcome to the best picks. The best dryer sheets is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked items in our laundry routine, and when you can get them through Subscribe and Save, it's a game changer for keeping your clothes fresh, soft, and static-free without ever having to worry about running out or making a last-minute trip to the store, ensuring a consistently pleasant laundry experience with ultimate convenience and savings. Number 5. Earth Breeze Laundry Detergent Sheets Fragrance-Free. Introducing a revolutionary way to do laundry. These compact sheets offer powerful cleaning for all your fabrics, tackling tough stains and odors effectively. Designed with sensitive skin in mind, our detergent sheets are hypoallergenic and free from harsh chemicals. Enjoy a gentle yet thorough clean every time. Say goodbye to messy liquids and bulky jugs. These pre-measured sheets are perfect for home and travel, simplifying your laundry routine with no measuring or waste. Make a difference with every wash. Our plastic-free sheets are an eco-friendly alternative, and with every purchase, we help donate detergent to those in need. We are proud to manufacture our laundry sheets in the USA, using safe, high-quality ingredients. Experience a fresh, clean laundry day with peace of mind. Whether you use hot or cold water, these sheets dissolve completely to deliver a powerful clean. They work effectively in all washing machines for up to 60 loads. What we like. If you're looking for a sustainable laundry solution, these are for you. They come in a compact, plastic-free format, making them ideal for travel and reducing waste. If you have sensitive skin or prefer fragrance-free options, these are a great choice. What people say. They come out clean and smelling fresh. Love the ease of use and the fact that there's no plastic container. Eco-friendly. My clothes came out clean and smelled nice. It's also so nice not having to lug around that heavy jug of detergent. And these take up no space. It's nice. Number 4. Smart Sheep XL Wool Dryer Balls, 6-pack. Introducing Smart Sheep Wool Dryer Balls, your premium natural solution for laundry. These award-winning wool balls are designed to replace traditional dryer sheets and liquid fabric softeners. Make a sustainable choice with our dryer balls. They are a healthy, petroleum-free alternative that lasts for over 1,000 loads, significantly reducing waste. Experience a faster laundry day. Using these laundry balls helps shorten drying time, saving you valuable time, money, and energy with each use. Achieve naturally soft clothes without any harsh chemicals. They are perfect for sensitive skin, babies, and anyone seeking a gentle touch. Each set includes 6 premium New Zealand wool balls, felted by artisans earning a fair living wage. We are committed to exceptional quality and customer service. Our product has been recognized by leading publications like Yahoo Lifestyle, Real Simple, and Good Housekeeping. It's a trusted choice for a better laundry experience. What we like. For those who want to ditch chemicals and reduce waste, these wool dryer balls are a fantastic alternative. They naturally soften clothes and can significantly cut down on drying time, saving energy. If you're seeking a long-term, eco-conscious solution for your laundry, consider these. What people say. Significantly reduced the drying time of most of my clothes and items, while also effectively reducing static, comparable to the effect of a dryer sheet. Takes less time to dry a load of laundry and they do not have static. I noticed an immediate difference with lint, wrinkles, and static. Number 3. Snuggle SuperFresh Dryer Sheets, Morning Breeze. Tired of stubborn odors in your laundry? Our dryer sheets tackle tough smells from pets, sweat, and the outdoors. They also help repel pet hair, leaving your clothes fresh and clean. Enjoy a refreshing scent that lasts. These sheets reduce static, fight wrinkles, and soften fabrics. They infuse your laundry with a delightful blend of citrus, green apple, and warm amber notes. The comforting scent doesn't stop with your clothes. Use these versatile sheets in closets, gym bags, or cars to eliminate odors anywhere. They keep your belongings smelling fresh. Our fabric softener sheets work in all dryers, including he models. They provide a simple, mess-free way to soften fabrics and make laundry care effortless. Using them is easy, just place a sheet on top of wet clothes. Adjust the number of sheets based on your load size for perfect results every time. This box provides 200 sheets of cuddly freshness. Embrace comfort every day with our products. They bring comfort and care to your laundry, ensuring long-lasting freshness from wash to wear. Experience the Snuggle promise of comfier moments. What we like. If your laundry routine is often battling pet odors and stray hairs, this option is designed for you. It tackles tough smells and helps keep pet hair at bay while leaving a pleasant, lasting fragrance. If you want your clothes to feel fresh and look cleaner, especially with pets around, give these a try. What people say. Great static removal. These help repel pet hair. Leaves clothes soft and static-free. Number 2. Snuggle Plus SuperFresh Dryer Sheets. Experience the ultimate freshness with our new fabric softener dryer sheets. They provide the snuggly softness you love and advanced odor-eliminating technology. These sheets don't just mask odors, they actively eliminate them. Enjoy a long-lasting, clean scent with every load. Our unique formula releases a delightful freshness that keeps your clothes smelling great. It's the first of its kind in an odor-fighting regimen. Reduce static cling and ensure lasting freshness by adding one sheet to each drying cycle. Simply place it on top of your wet clothes and start the dryer. These dryer sheets are safe for use in both standard and heat dryers. Enjoy peace of mind with every use. This package contains 105 dryer sheets, providing enough for 105 loads of laundry. Get ready for consistently fresh and soft clothes. What we like. When you need powerful odor elimination combined with classic fabric softening, this is the one to consider. It actively works to remove tough smells rather than just masking them, while also reducing static. If you're looking for a reliable, odor-fighting solution with a comforting scent, this product delivers. What people say. These dryer sheets are a game-changer for my laundry routine. They leave clothes smelling fresh and static-free, and the scent is subtle and pleasant. I love that these dryer sheets are made with natural ingredients and are biodegradable. It's great to have a product that is good for my family and the environment. The subscribe and save option makes it so convenient to always have these dryer sheets on hand. I never have to worry about running out, and it saves me time and money. Number 1. Bounce Fabric Softener Sheets, Outdoor Fresh. Tired of static cling? Our dryer sheets keep your clothes virtually static-free, so you can feel more comfortable. Join millions of satisfied users with America's #1 dryer sheet brand. They work perfectly in all types of dryers, whether heat or regular. Say goodbye to wrinkles and hello to confidence. These sheets help reduce wrinkles, leaving your clothes looking great. Experience the refreshing outdoor fresh scent you know and love. It brings a long-lasting freshness to your laundry. Enjoy the ultimate comfort with fabrics that feel extra soft. You deserve this level of comfort after every wash. Our formula effectively controls static cling in all your fabrics. Enjoy static-free clothes every time. What we like. If your main concerns are static cling and wrinkles, and you love a fresh, clean scent, this is a top contender. It's America's #1 dryer sheet brand for a reason, offering reliable performance in all dryer types. If you want your clothes to feel soft, look smooth, and smell invigoratingly fresh, you should choose this. What people say. These dryer sheets leave clothes smelling fresh and static-free. The scent is long-lasting and pleasant, not overpowering. They effectively reduce wrinkles and make ironing easier. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.